Is how does soil filtration affect water composition at 25, 50, and 75 meters from the start of Lacey Creek to Lacey Meadow? And we wanted to test ammonia, phosphate, and nitrite levels.
Before we did the project, we already knew some information, and we knew that the wetlands act as a filtration system because of the vegetation supporting organisms that clean water from like agricultural runoff going into the water supply. And we also knew that the snow melt like replenishes all the lakes, aquifers, and the rivers and lakes. And we also knew that when the water quality is better when there's like when it flows, but when the water is stagnant, it's not very good water quality.
Our hypothesis was that phosphate, nitrite, and ammonia levels will decrease because there could be possible compounds in the soil that would interact with them and form new products, so that way they would stay in the soil and we would filter out like cleaner water. So what we did is we took a meter tape out from there and went all the way to 75 meters, and then we would mark it with pink string over there at each site. And we would take 2 soil samples and dig it into the soil and use the core, and we would test the color. So you can see here, this is the content for minerals, and this is how much organic matter would be in. So the darker and the more concentrated it is, the more organic matter and minerals it has. We would also test for soil pH and moisture, just for extra data. And then we would take it all back to the site and test for the chemicals. In ammonia, like the 75 meter level increased, and we found that there were more signs of animals, specifically geese there. So their urine could have been throughout the soil more. But at 25 and 50 meters, it was less. And we also saw there were like little signs of geese, so probably healthier soil. And then for nitrite, all the levels before testing were 0 in our human polluted water, but after there was some increase at 50 and 75 meters, probably because of the nitrite. Since nitrite acts as a fertilizer and geese poop also acts as a fertilizer, it could correlate.
So then for phosphate, our hypothesis did support it, so the levels did go down, and we thought this was because nitrate, phosphate they're interconnected, so they have to be, when they're both balanced, like the meadow or the soil would be good, it would be healthy. But since nitrate was higher, phosphate went down the levels. So when there's too little of phosphate, there's too many nitrate needing plants, and then when there's too much, but when there's too much of it,